Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Outlook emails look more professional or just easier to navigate, this video is for you today. I'll show you how to add hyperlinks in Outlook the right way in under 2 minutes. Whether you're using Outlook on the web, desktop, or Microsoft 365, this guide covers it all, so stick around. By the end, you'll be hyperlinking like a pro. First, open Outlook. You can do this by heading to Outlook.com on your browser or opening your Outlook app. Sign in using your Microsoft email and password. Once you're in, head to your inbox or wherever you want to compose your new message. Click on New Mail to start a fresh email, or open an existing draft if you'd like to add a hyperlink inside a message you've already started. Now, type the text you want to turn into a clickable link. For example, visit our website or download report. Then, highlight that text using your mouse or trackpad. This is what users will see as the clickable link. With the text selected, look for the link icon. It usually looks like a small chain. On the toolbar above your email, click it and a small window will pop up. Here, you'll paste the URL or web address you want to link to, like your company website, a Google Drive file, or a YouTube video. Once pasted, hit OK or Insert. Now, hover over your text. You'll see it's clickable. You can even press Ctrl plus click or Command plus click on Mac to test it before sending. Once you're happy, just click send, and your professional hyperlink enhanced email is ready to go. And that's it, your complete guide to hyperlinking in Outlook. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more quick Outlook and productivity tutorials, and drop a comment below if you'd like me to cover another Outlook feature next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.